guys, welcome back. So I think I'm just going to add this on to the end of my video I'm putting up tonight. But I got the last of my Temu items. It is a hodgepodge of stuff. And my hair looks insane because we were outside that whole time. And I realized something. It does look insane all the time now because I've been taking that. Maybe I already said this in a video. If I did, I'm sorry. But
Biotin.
what?
Biotin.
Been taking biotin, and it's in my multivitamin. I think I did already tell you guys this. This is all, I was looking at them, baby hairs that are growing in. So they're all fuzzy. I've even got like little ones right here. So that's kind of cool though. That means my hair will be thicker hopefully by like the end of summer. So the first item, got my daughter these gray Crocs. I will show you guys pictures at the end. I'll link these pictures so you guys can see what they're called and how much they cost. I think these were maybe $6.50. I don't love this ridgy thing, but they didn't have any plain ones that were what I was looking like in the size that we needed. But anyway, she's gonna put her Harry Potter gibbets that you guys saw in that. And then this is a card we're gonna give her tomorrow on her birthday. If you guys have ever seen the commercial, or like if you're on social media like Facebook, they'll pop up and show it's like a 3D bouquet of flowers that costs like, I don't know, somewhere between 20 and 25, $30 or something. This was like $5, I want to say, or $4 something, I think. So I'm interested to see. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. And the thing with Temu that I don't like is that stuff tends to just kind of get crammed into a bag and bent up. So if you get anything that you need to stay flat and not bent, that's kind of bad. So on her birthday tomorrow, these things that didn't come in till a little late, I'm going to give her as a gift. So she asked for some more of those to make bracelets. These stickers, and you'll hear them, they're downstairs playing ping pong. For the invitation, or for the thank you cards for the shower. These are for the goodie bags. I thought I'd tie these on there. Thank you for coming, it says, for the baby shower. And then, what in the world? I might have gotten something that I didn't order. I have no idea what that is. I'm going to have to open that and look in a second. And a two pack of bracelets. There's blue and white. I don't know if you can see it, but these are for my daughter to give her on her actual birthday tomorrow. They have crosses on them. She asked for that. She asked for stuff like that for her birthday. In fact, I'm trying to look at this and figure out. I really don't think I ordered that. I'm curious to see what that is. Oh, you know what? This is for Rocky. Okay, so Rocky has several things in here. Let's see, make sure I'm done with everything else, then I'll show you. And then some cross earrings. They have a heart in the center. And then I got this because it was only like $1 or less, I think. And it's one of those things, you just roll it like this and it gets like, I watched a YouTube video where a guy used a horse, I think it was like a horse brush on the floor, because we have like carpet type of floors in our van, and it got up the hair. He had a lot of, like long human hair. Well, we have a million girls, so we have tons of long hair all in the, lining of our car, the floorboards and whatnot. So it didn't work all that great for me, at least on the type of material we have. So I thought I would try this for the price that it is. And that's it. So these two things, I can't even describe to you exactly what this is. Oh, there you can kind of see it more. It's a little crown for Rocky and a gold chain. I will post a picture. You guys are going to die. And we will have him model these. And then this is a skateboard with hats. I guess to keep his skull safe. It's like a hard hat, like they wear in construction. That is so funny. And that's it. Oh no, it's not. And then a clarinet keychain for Liv. Put on her. She has like a laptop they use at school, a Chromebook, and the zipper's always broken, so she puts like different ones on there. I thought she could use this until it breaks. It was like under $1. Oh, it's also like rubbery. So it's got these flutter sleeves, I guess they're called, and they're sheer, and they have a little velvety type or little poofy dots. And then the skirt, I thought it wrapped and had ruffles that kept coming up, but it doesn't. It's stretchy. It's almost like a mermaid style. And it is high-low, which is good. So, and you could, it's very high-waisted. Like, I could pull this down. So, like, if you're tall, you would just wear it lower. I bought this to where it should fit me if I'm a size 20, which I am. But the waist is not stretchy. And so, I just don't have it zipped all the way. So, I'm just tucking in the excess. And I do have my shapewear on under this, the shorts one. But it definitely, with the shorts thing, feels a lot more held in, which is nice. And this one doesn't cut into my thighs either. It kind of tries to hold them in too. But I will show you guys the other outfit if and when it comes in. I'm not sure if it'll be in time to be an alternative for this or not. Okay, guys, here's how it turned out. I used the gold kit that I got from Dollar Tree, and then I used the cupcake picks and the cake topper that says happy birthday there from the Amazon. I think it turned out really cute. I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way and take a picture too. She's gonna love it. And then here's her gifts from us and her friends. All but 2 are here of her friends. There's still 2. We're still waiting on 2. Ron wants to face the wall. He's bad. Don't fall on your face.
George, light the grass. No. Light the house.
You guys want to do s'mores and stuff?
S'mores. Yes.
Don't forget to light the candles. Chase the shadows with those bright lights. Keep the warmth up through the cold nights. Let the children play with gifts and dreidels. Share these moments with my loved ones. I can see the light reflecting in their eyes. Welcome to the first of nights. Celebrate a miracle. Ooh. This is how I feel inside. It's a light that carries on, and I will try to save the light. Don't forget to light the candles. Every night a new beginning, full of joy and filled with singing. There is food and wine around the table. Our home became our temple, celebrating that it's not too late to try. Welcome to
go up this hill. Oh no. I got my Hey Dudes on, which probably is not the best shoe for this. No, I feel like hiking shoes would be a good choice. Oh, it's not as steep as I thought it was, though.
It actually looked more steep.
Yeah. My legs are just noodly. Did you see Poison Ivy? I don't feel too bad. The kids are complaining too. Oh, something living down in there. Careful, bud. Y'all hear me gasping for my life. I made it, almost.
It's starting to level out.
Yeah. Was she gonna cry like Sky did over the M&M sweatshirt? Remember that? Wait, hold it up. What in the world? Where is what? How do you actually Oh, stand up. It's Nicolas Cage. It is. I don't even know. It's a Nicolas Cage like blanket. That is hilarious. What's the inside joke on both of those? Oh, okay.
And I was like, I want these for my birthday. I was joking.
That's probably going to be the end. I'll be back tomorrow. Actually, no, I'll be back Monday. And I will see you guys then. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.